Hello and welcome to the Mr. Brown Show once again. This is Mr. Brown.
And this is Mr. Miyagi.
Hi, welcome to the Mr. Brown Show and this is Mr. Brown.
And this is Mr. Miyagi.
The other day we went to the market to buy some birds.
And there were no more birds.
Excuse me, my sister is going away on a journey. I would like to wish her good luck. 5 birds, please.
I'm sorry, no more birds da. The bloody Richard gave by every single bird in my shop. I'm retiring now. Goodness gracious me, why are you crying, my child?
Damn you, Richard Gere. Damn your eyes. Damn your grey hair. My whole family is going to die.
Goodness me, my child, why?
Because they Richard Gere by all the birds, so I cannot wish them any luck. Darling, why your car is full of bird shit da?
Damn the Richard Gere da. He let go 10,000 birds da.
Why he do that?
Some girl want to buy 5 birds. Not enough money. Only got enough money for 1 bird.
Then he could have bought 4 birds, so that she would have 5 birds.
Damn you, Richard Gere. Damn your stupid grey hair. Damn you lousy at mathematics American lecturer.
Hello, uncle. Why boy chiao?
Dia boy sini chiao.
Lu simi chiao.
Wah, sini chiao mau.
Tu lam sik ke bu?
Dia boy lam sik e chiao ha.
Why boy lam chiao?
咪嚟我知道人主講走嘅嗬，我冇買這款物件嘅，愛買看咩買嗬，等你死人摸來，跟我買個了了。I'm sorry, no more birds there.
Adoi.
No sneezing.
Please no sneezing in the set, please. We are recording the show. Okay, a bit noisy, yeah? All these stupid Chinese people. Talk. You think this is marketplace? Wait, it is market. Sorry. Sing for me the song. Not bad, what? Okay, good.
The Mr. Brown Show is produced by MrBrown.com and Miyagi.sg and 10,000 stupid birds.